Hi everybody, welcome to day 8 of geography. We are back on Wednesday. You are right here. You have clicked play to listen to today's instructions. Thank you. Today you're going to work on extending yesterday's activity, and instead of drawing a map of your room, today you are going to draw a map of your house or apartment, wherever you live. So the lesson activity is a map of your house. You're going to press play to watch an example of how to draw a house, so click play right there. It's just a short video of someone drawing a house with a key, so it kind of explains how to do it. And then you will go to Seesaw, find your teacher's name, open the activity, and it will look very similar to yesterday's activity. You are on day 2 though. So you are a cartographer again, meaning you're a map maker. You're going to watch the video if you didn't do this yesterday. And there's the instruction that you're going to make 3 maps this week. You can either draw these on Seesaw, or you can draw them on paper and take a picture just like yesterday. So using the add response button, you're going to draw a map of your home or apartment, either on Seesaw again or on paper. So remember, before you draw, think, how many rooms do you need to include? What is in each room? Don't forget to include tables and chairs and doors and windows. Don't forget to make it colorful. And then importantly, adding a key or legend and a compass if you can figure out which way north is. So the key or legend, again, takes you back and shows the reader of your map what all of the symbols in your map represent. So if you draw a rectangle that's blue and that's your bed, in your key or legend you should have a blue rectangle with the word bed next to it. So do your best work, excuse me, make a map of your home and try to include as many details as you can. It's okay if you don't put every single thing in your home on your map. Just do the big items. Kitchen table maybe, beds, couches. So you might have to go from room to room and look and figure out where to put the windows. So this is not an art project. Don't make it perfect. Just do your best work. Hit the microphone, record yourself, explain your map, and then add it to your journal with a check mark. Thank you.